Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing for a certain piece from 2005, about 17 years ago, but we're going back 20 years to the very beginning of this particular look and design, but the look as well, but the design mostly. Now, here's what you're looking at here. Let me just zoom. You're looking at these two variations of the G5600 -1JF, and you have the -9JF. Now, these have small bezels and straps and everything, but the characters, which are the letters and the numbers, they're big. Very, very big, and with EL backlight. And if anybody's familiar with these, I'm pretty sure anyone in high school or middle school days, I mean, I was in middle school, but I wasn't aware of the brand. Like, I was into different stuff back then. I didn't even know much about brands until I started noticing more and more about it. And you keep going further. 2003 marked the 20th anniversary for G-Shock. And the bit square pieces, right below here is the 20th anniversary. They don't say 5720. That changed until 07 and 08. But let's keep going further and further, a little bit further over the many years to come. And here's maybe one of them, but in the silver version. Ooh, it's definitely silver, not white here. G5600EV-8JF. Again, big letters, numbers. The characters are big. That's what you gotta know about. Alright. And then I can't even tell this one. The SP-1JR, but this is again a regular square. Here is one. These are what you call the jelly backs. The GL-200-4AJF and the 200AJF. This is the red and the blue. Again, you noticed bigger characters. And I believe these are the wave scepters. And this is representing the G-Light right there in circle. Okay, and go even further. Again, this was around the time of 03. And then now we're close to 04. Alrighty, keep it going further. I don't see much squares, but you do see looks like a mini 6900, but there are mini size 6900s, way before I even heard the name Baby G. But we know there's G-Shock minis, and then we've had that, including those to come. And here, there they are, but they're not minis. They don't say minis. Nothing mini-me about this. And then we're entering 2004. Again, I was about 13 turning 13 at the time. Okay, you keep it going, and you got here. You got the orange, red, or just orange. And then you got the light blue, kind of like an ocean, the GL-230-4JF, and you have the 2BJF versions. Oh yeah, that's what you're getting, y'all. And here's a GL-230-2AJF. And then you have a darker version, which is the G56RB-1JF. And it's pretty principal year for these pieces. Again, I was in middle school back then. I was 13. But the Frogman is kind of special. Came in like a toy-sized box. Really, kind of consistency. Crazy set, though. And what else? You have these three on a bonsai strap, if I'm not mistaken. Very cool. They gotta do something like that again soon. Make it improved. You got the G56L-1JF, 5600 LL-1JF, and you have the LL-4JF. Red, black, and olive green. Or is it blue? I can't even tell, judging from this, but I could assume that's black and this is green. Black and green and red. So yeah. Let's even know the different characters, and I can't even tell for this one right here. Definitely bigger characters. Okay, and going furthermore over the times of 04, and then we're about the process of entering of 05. Ooh, what do we have here? Huh. I don't know if these are like easy or hard to track. If I ever find it, I'm pulling the trigger. That's a term for getting it, not to shoot somebody. Okay, and here we are, folks. This is what we're going to be looking at. The GW-5600J-1JF, and they have another version, all negative display, GW-5600BJ-1JF, a silver GW-5600SJ-8JF. I can't even tell precisely what month, but again, this was around the time I was about 14. A friend of mine was 10. Another friend was about 4. Who was it? My younger friend, and then another friend was my age. One of them, and one of my friends is my age, but at the time he was turning 13 going on 14, and then again, I was a freshman at that point. It was a bit of a bizarre year and shit. And that was, of course, in November of 2011, we lost the godfather of the Halloweens, Mustafa Akkad. He is known as the godfather of the Halloweens, as he's coined. In the process, he died in an explosion, a terrorist attack explosion in Jordan in 2005, along with his daughter. So ever since then, his son Malik Akkad took over the franchise. So yeah, but anyway, let's get back to this. Now, which of these variations you're about to see? Even and there was also a collaboration with Superman about a year later or 2 years later, because in the back plate it has Superman and then it comes in a box. Again, some of these pieces were collaborating with comic book heroes, DCU, MCU. They gotta start doing it again, since we have been getting Marvel films over the last few years. Last one was being Avengers 4 Endgame, and I did get very hardcore with it. So yeah, but anyways, enough chit-chatting. Let's check out the watch, like right now. And after that, music, y'all. But first, the watch. Well, here it is. Here's the box. Not the right number, though. Shape with it. Okay. Yeah, I got this for a reasonable price about 9 years ago. At a place called Digital Universe. They sell anything there. They only sell the watch, no box, of course, but the tin only, with its warranty card, very important. And with that, let's see what we got. And I'm not gonna measure this watch. It'll be in the link in the description box down below. And here it is. Here it is. The GW-5600J. And it's a wave scepter, tough solar. Not a multi-band, though. And it's on, now the indication on this is high. Got PS for power save mode, and it's auto light. And when you toggle this, EL backlight comes on when you toggle. And it's water resist, 20 bar, assuming it's 200 meter resist. And it's got its famous kind of blurry though. Okay, here it is. G-Shock resist. Shock resist, to be exact. Amazing band. Feels like it's plastic of a metallic. Something like that. From my childhood, though, that I remember. Metallic trunk, that is. And, well, look what's on the buckle. The letter G, to be exact. It says Casio, Thailand. We know this is Japan, not Thailand, dudes and dudettes. No, and the band for this, of course, it's a 685R16, I mean 685R116PUR. I can't even tell if the camera could pick it up, but pause it very careful. If you have HD, do something around with it. Pause it very, very carefully. The module number that this model is a 2924 is the module number. The G56. That's what it's called. The G. That's what it is. Module 2924. Look at that carefully, y'all. Look at it very, very carefully. Alrighty. From a distance, maybe you could tell it is a normal 5600. But it's a different one. A little small, but you got your but the characters, the letter, and the numbers, they're big. They're very, very big. Let's take a little example of how it would look in the Sparky stack. When I first got this, I was so shocked. I wanted to get one so bad. Heck, even on eBay, the prices were ridiculous. The one for the Superman has gotten a little bit pricey. I'm just going to stick with pricey. Very, very pricey indeed. Heck, this is how it looks on my wrist. On the Sparky wrist. The details of the size will be on the link in the description box. Very, very cool. Look at that shot, y'all. Anyway, let's see. One more look at the buckle with the letter G. Heck, you can't resist that. You never see this in any G-Shock piece. Again, this was 2005. Middle school days. How far it went over the course of many years. But I never wear this watch. If I had another one, I would sure as heck buy it and pull the trigger. All in all, great piece. Well, if you enjoy this part of the vid, enjoy the next part. We're going to get some music in the house, y'all. And this is what we're going to be playing. It's right here. But I don't have the manual, though. Alrighty, enough chit-chat. Let's see the music. Like right now, y'all. Well, y'all, did you enjoy this vid? I know I'm sure have. And anything else? Not much to come by or so, but well, today is only the 30th of January, and heck, on Friday I enjoy watching Scream 5 in theaters, and I gotta say, it's amazing. It's a must. Great fifth installment of the series, and I'm glad we all, my homies and I went to see it. And also, what more things to come? Like the video. Also, if you want to know more, subscribe to my channel. Click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of any new uploads and updates. And also, I'm leaving links in the description box for any other items and on other things to come. And also tomorrow at 9 a.m. or 9:30 a.m. tomorrow, which is going to be the last day of January, I posted a video for a soundtrack from 1996 from the film Because of You, under its other name, Kyoko. If anybody know that movie, I'll leave you a link in the description box down below on the trailer, along with the other videos of the other YouTubers reviewing the G5600J, to be exact. And also, is anybody here a fan of the music group called Gorillaz? Let me know in the description as well. If you're a fan of music, let me know as well. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. See you on the next vid. Have a good Sunday, y'all. Catch you on the next vid.